The RedRock window visors are perfect for the 2021 and newer four-door Bronco owner who wants to add a little bit more function and form to their rig. Featuring an easy installation, a clean look, and sturdy materials, these are a perfect functional addition to any Bronco no matter how you intend to use it. Window visors have been a very popular modification for a long time, and with good reason. They add a little bit of shade and a little extra protection to your rig in a way that looks slick and unobtrusive. But these are more about function than they are form. They deflect airflow around your windows, allowing for a bit less turbulence when you have them down. It makes it a bit more comfortable for you to be inside. But the bigger thing they do is that they deflect rainwater and snow, so you can have your windows cracked when it's weathering outside. So you can more easily clear your windows on a humid, rainy day, or have your defroster absolutely ripping to clear your windshield and still get a little fresh air in the cabin without freezing. And if you live in a humid or rainy area like we do here in the Northeast, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. They'll also allow you to leave your windows cracked in the summer so your interior can stay a bit cooler, get a little bit of airflow in there when you're not driving. That means you won't have to be constantly worrying about a random summer rainstorm rolling through and soaking your interior. Plus, the matte black color here means that they blend in very well with either the soft or hard top, and with the top in place, you may not even notice them at first. It helps give these a more OEM type of appearance, and I can't overstate how handy these things can be. If you've ever had them on a vehicle before, you'll probably agree with me that these are such a small thing, but they can make a huge difference. ABS plastic is the material of choice here. It's strong, it's durable, it's thin, and it's lightweight, meaning these don't add any real complication to your Bronco. They don't require you to modify anything, and they'll be able to stand up to UV rays, impacts, and the wear and tear of everyday life. That also means they'll keep their shape and color for a long time to come. The matte black color and the material here also means that these will match pretty much any other black trim on your Bronco about perfectly. Installation is also simple thanks to the pre-installed double-sided tape on the back, but we'll talk more about that in a moment. Coming in at around $175, they are an affordable mod, and they're kind of unique in the marketplace. Since the Broncos have pillarless windows, regular in-channel window deflectors just aren't possible. But despite these being in a class of their own, it's still an affordable mod, and for the price, they can vastly improve the experience of driving and spending time in your Bronco, so they're definitely worth the investment. Installation gets a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the whole job should take you about 30 minutes. It's really just a matter of peeling the backs off the tape and sticking these into place. Not much more I can say about it, so let's head out to the shop and we'll show you exactly where to get these installed on your Bronco.
Today we're going to be installing some window visors on our Bronco, so let's get started. To start off, you want to take your top back so we can have access to our inner rails here on our window area. We're going to start with our front drip tray. And we're going to remove the adhesive backing covers. You also want to make sure this area is nice and clean. You can wipe it down with an alcohol wipe or a non-solvent cleaner. So then we'll pop these covers off. Set these aside. Then we're going to line this arched area up with the front of our A-pillar. Make sure that's sitting nice and flush. We'll press this into place. Now for our rear one, once again, we're going to remove our adhesive covers. Lift up on the back part of our top. Get this lined up with our front one. You want these to fit flush. Just like so. Press that into place. And you can set your top back down, or if you have a hard top, reinstall it. Now once you have this side on, you can repeat the same process for the other side and reinstall your top. That about wraps up our review and install of our RedRock window visors in matte black finish for your 21 to current Bronco 4-door. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Bronco, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.